If your Facebook name change isn't working, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Facebook name change problem step by step, so you can update your profile name the right way and avoid the most common errors. This is a quick and easy guide, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to check if Facebook is refusing your name update. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Facebook and go to your profile picture in the top right corner. From there, click Settings and Privacy, then click Settings. Once you're in the Settings area, look for Account Center and click that. This is where Facebook keeps some of your personal account information, including your name details. Next, click on Profile and Personal Details. After that, choose the profile you want to update. If you manage more than one profile or account-linked setting, make sure you select the correct one before making any changes. Now you should see your name settings. Enter your new name carefully, exactly as you want it to appear. After typing your new name, click Review Change. Facebook will usually show you a preview of how the name will look before it is saved. Take a moment to check for spelling mistakes, spacing, or formatting issues. If everything looks correct, click Save Changes. That should update your name successfully. Now, if you still can't change your name, there are a few important things to check. First, make sure your new name follows Facebook's name rules. That means no symbols, no numbers, and no unusual capitalization. Facebook usually wants a real name that matches the name you use in everyday life or on your ID. Also, check whether you've changed your name within the last 60 days. Facebook has a name change limit, and if you changed it recently, you may have to wait before updating it again. This is one of the most common reasons people get stuck, even when everything else looks correct. If your name still won't update after following these steps, go back and double-check the exact spelling. Remove any extra characters, and make sure you're editing the right profile in Account Center. Sometimes the issue is just one small detail, and correcting that can fix the problem right away. So to recap, go to Settings, open Account Center, choose Profile and Personal Details, select your profile, enter your new name, review the change, and save it. Then make sure your name follows Facebook's rules, and that you haven't changed it in the last 60 days. That's the full fix for the Facebook name change problem. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.